In this video, we'll help you set up and start using your Lily 2 active smartwatch. To begin, press and hold the top button to turn on your device. Once you see Hello displayed on your Lily 2 active screen, you can start the setup process. Begin by tapping the screen. Then, select your preferred language. Now, select the checkmark. To set up your Lily 2 Active, scan the QR code with your compatible smartphone's camera. If you already have the Garmin Connect app, it will open automatically and begin pairing with your new smartwatch. If you don't have the app, the QR code will open the Garmin Connect app store page. Now, install the application. Once the download is complete, open the app. Then either sign in to an existing account or create a new one. When the app recognizes your watch, select Connect It. Follow the steps on your compatible smartphone to finish pairing your watch. Once you're done with initial setup, you can tailor your experience and set alarms, customize widgets, manage your activity settings, fine-tune hydration goals, enable pulse ox, sleep tracking, and more in the app. Now let's talk about using your Lily 2 active smartwatch. To wake up the display, you can either double tap the touchscreen, press one of the two buttons, or lift your wrist and rotate it toward your body. When the watch face is displayed, tap the circle at the bottom of the touchscreen to quickly cycle through your step count, heart rate, energy levels, calories burned, weather, and remaining battery. Once you settle on your favorite, stop tapping. It will be there the next time your watch face is displayed. You can also use the circle as a back button. Press and hold this button to set up a shortcut. From the watch face, you can swipe left or right to scroll through your stats for the day, health data, calendar, women's health data, hydration, and more. You can adjust these widgets in the Garmin Connect app. Let's talk about the buttons on the right side of your smartwatch. The top button will open the activities list. Pressing and holding the bottom button will let you access the main menu. Here, you can change your watch face, open alarms, stopwatch and timer, and view your watch settings. You can also press the bottom button to return to a previous page. Press the circle at the bottom of the watch screen to return to the watch face. If you press and hold the top right button, you can access a set of quick controls. This includes Do Not Disturb, Find My Phone, and more. To edit your controls, just press and hold the bottom button. Then select the control you want to change. When you're done, press the circle at the bottom of the display. Next, we'll walk through how to start an activity. You can customize the activities available on your Lily 2 Active in the Garmin Connect app or on the watch. From the watch face, press the top right button to see your list of activities. Scroll through the options and select the activity you want to start. Once GPS has been acquired, press the top button to start it. To stop the activity, press the same button. Once you stop the activity, you'll see a recap of your activity data. You can either discard your activity or save it. Once saved, the activity will be synced to the Garmin Connect app for you to view. If you want to change the look of your watch face, press and hold the bottom right button to open the main menu. Then select Watch Face. Now scroll through the different options. When you find the layout you want, just tap it. The watch face will be updated. And that's it. Now you know the basics for using your Lily 2 active smartwatch. For more help setting up your device, visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.